Welcome to Furoshiki tutorial. I will show you how to wrap two bottles. Place two bottles in the middle of the furoshiki and we're gonna let it fall like this, sideways, and make it a little closer in the middle. We're gonna cover this and I'm going to roll. Keep rolling until you reach the end of the furoshiki, and we're gonna let it stand up like this and just tie the corner on top into a square knot. And that's how you can wrap two bottles. I will show you another way to wrap two bottles. Spread the furoshiki wrong side up, right side down, diagonally, and place two bottles in the middle. We're going to let it fall this way this time. Take one of the bottles, roll it to the side, cover with the corner, roll it back to the middle. Take the other bottle and do the same. Roll it back to the middle. And now we have this corner. I'm going to flip it up. And we're gonna stand them up. And I will take this corner and the other corner, tie between the two bottles, just once. And then we're gonna make a small square knot on top, like this. And that's how you can wrap two bottles. Spread the furoshiki wrong side down, right side up. That's the other way around.